So guys, welcome to H-QTV. So this is SEALSEND KYC now. I think their KYC is out. They have enrolled is out, and if you want to do this, I'm going to show you the step by step. So SEALSEND KYC, I want to be really sure. KYC, so I think it's out. You can see one day. So I think it's out. SEALSEND KYC, I think it's out. So let's go guys and go and do this. It's very simple guys. The first step is just log into your account. So this is your SEALSEND now. Click on the app. So once you click on the app, it's going to open up like this. So let me just click on Telegram, and I've already joined, so there's no need. Let me just come back here. Let me verify it. So it's going to take a few seconds. So let me just join it now. So I've already joined. As you can see, I've joined. Let me back to this place and verify. You can see the verified. So what you want to do now is, once you click on the My button, the red button that has the SEALSEND logo at the middle. So once you click on that, if you click on that, you can see, so this KYC verification. Face authentication is required to confirm your identity and your SEALSEND token account. So you are going to click on, you are going to tick on I agree with the SEALSEND KYC terms and conditions. You are going to click on continue. So KYC verification, click on continue again. Select your country. So Nigeria, I'm going to click on continue once you selected this. Then these are the criteria that you are going to follow, the guidelines. So guys, these are the KYC guidelines that you are going to follow. Make sure you have a high quality video, have good lighting, have a clear background, no dark photos, no blurry or foggy videos, clean camera lens. So they mean the front camera. Clean your front camera lens for the clear picture. Then it's on continue. So it's going to come to this page. So I'm going to allow camera access, allow every time I visit this page. I'm going to allow that, and you are going to see load scripts. So it's going to load the scripts for me right now. So it's loading the scripts. So it's connecting to my phone camera right here, as you are going to see. So follow the option. You are going to follow the option at the down button of your phone. So you are just going to follow the process. You can see it's very simple guys. Just turn right, turn left, raise up your head, something like that. It's very simple. Just make sure that you follow the screen guidelines. You are just going to get it like you see it in this video. So congratulations, you have successfully completed your KYC. Your identity is now verified. So go back to continue. So you are going to see, if you refresh again, so refresh. So let me cancel this and open again. So if I open again now, you are going to see that a blue tick, that means that my account, SEALSEND account, this SEALSEND account has been successfully verified. You are going to see at H-QTV, you can see like that. So that means that my account has been successfully verified. So guys, I'm going to see you in the next video. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and comment also. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching my video.